Hey everybody, doing some switchback install. I got some already, but these, I don't know, they don't seem as bright, and they got a different clarity than my, or different brightness than my fog lights and headlights. So I'm changing these out today. And I had to put some resistors, of course, and on the 08 through the 08 to 2010. See, one end goes on the black right here, and goes on this yellow right here, so that way you can get it to work properly. And just taking these out. I guess these are some cheap ones, I'm not sure. These are switchbacks. Okay, the Alla lighting 3157 2835-28 WY. See, put this right here. Sorry for my hand motions here, but just doing what I can. Oops. Let's see these. Get keys in my pockets. Yeah, it's a little bit brighter than the other ones, but and then see what they look like. Oh yeah, you see a little difference there. Especially when you turn on the blinker part. That. The camera will do it justice, but this one is a bit brighter than the other one. So, like I said, the blinker part. Anyways, I'm gonna do this side, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and have a nice day.